Hello everyone, my name is Jia-In Lin. I'm very honored to give this speech at online conference. The study of Instagram followings and followers, unlike commenting and sharing intention. I'm going to summarize some recent advances in this field of internet celebrity. This is the content. I will give this talk in 4 parts. The first part deals with introduction, the second part concerns methodology, then the third part related to results, and the last part is conclusion. Part 1, Introduction. In this slide, I'm going to introduce the study backgrounds of my research, the development of social media along with emergence of internet celebrity has completely changed the way people who interact, communicated, and participated. Also, the company are aware of commercial use these social media influencer and more marketed use specific social media to endorse their brands. And there is a rapid growth on promoting product through internet celebrity. As you are all aware, enterprise can choose an individual who has a large number of fans as the spokesperson for product promote, and they're usually celebrities with millions of fans. Enterprises have been accustomed to look for celebrity to promote their products. In today's, it's hard to ignore how these people promote and sell brands, especially on social platforms like Instagram. The main reason why these social media platforms are favored by people and become indispensable parts of life is that social media platform has a special interactive, which is also the biggest difference from general media. Such interactive leads users can meet strangers on such platform and interact with them, and can also build their own social network, and such social network has been shown to guide customers to what they may like product to make this exploration process more efficiency. With this widespread use of this social media platform, there has been emergencies of social influence who can bring consumer and more interactive experience as celebrity. People present themselves as ordinary, approachable, and authentic personality, and they typically share their life's contents enthusiastically and interact with their followers. Such influencers are seen by marketers as being able to connect it with target audience consumer and have huge influence on their followers. A marketer can use their marketing value in merchandising. So, they believe that celebrity reach more consumer and more consumer can reach more potential sales. In fact, research shows that celebrity has a larger number of followers does not always lead to genuine consumer engagement or increased sales. In contrast, influencers have less followers than celebrity, but are more responsive to product endorsements. Let's imagine a situation because of the coronavirus disease. People who stayed at home when he couldn't go out. He began to browse Instagram feed to collected product promoted by internet celebrity to make purchase. He found this internet celebrity, the number of followers and the number of fans are actually different. But the common characteristic of these people is that they have a group of fans following them. In the end, well, the difference between the number of fans and the number of followers influence people to further follow or purchase the product promoted by this internet celebrity. Among the many interactive celebrities, how companies should choose has become an important consideration. This study explored the influence of followings and followers on like, commenting, and sharing intentions on Instagram by using designs of conditional method. And the second part is methodology. This study exploited a 2 times 2 between subject design, following less vs following more, and followers less vs followers more. Dependent variables are like commenting and sharing. Respondents were 140 undergraduate students, 35 respondents in each condition. We will assign respondent to one of the four conditions randomly. we ask to fill in the questionnaire. The questionnaire is divided into two parts. The first part is personal basic information, and the second part is post situation by the celebrity on Instagram. First, we will watch the number of followers and followees of the celebrity on Instagram homepage, and then watch the post situations of the internet celebrity, and then we will fill in the questions. To enhance generalizable, we use Instagram as the domain in this study. The stimuli replicates the feature of real Instagram page, include the user's Instagram names, pictures, and numbers of photo. The photo post 337 across conditions. We verify the number of followers, 58 or 15,457, and followings present 49 or 21,530. To enhance generalizable, we use Instagram as the domain in this study. The question example: would you like this post? Would you sharing this post to your friends? Would you leave some comments? Then we see the condition 1. We can see it has less follower and the last following is shown on here. And in condition 2, it shows less follower and more followings. In condition 3 is more follower and less following. Condition 4 is more follower and more followings. Then we see the third part is result. The result shows that there is significant interaction between followings and followers, unlike commenting and sharing intentions. The main effect of followings and followers are significant. The more followers and the less followings will lead to higher likes, comments, and sharing intention. The results provide the practice implications for a company to select internet celebrity to endorse their product. We can see the highest one is condition 3, more follower and less followees, unlike intentions. Then condition 4, condition 1, and the last is condition 2. We can see the highest one is also condition 3, more follower and less followings. Then condition 4, condition 1, and the last one is condition 2. The last is sharing intentions. The condition 3 is also the highest one. Then condition 1, then condition 4, and the last one is condition 2. This is total results. These results are not way to give participants desired for cues others than follower to access influence protection. Moreover, we show that the impact of following contingents on have accumulated a substantial number of followers. We can see that the research results of condition 3 are the highest whether it's like, comments, or share. The last one is conclusion. We know it's not easy to choose among the merits of internet celebrity. We found that follower and followees is an important indicator. Enterprise can choose internet celebrity with large number of fans and a small number of followees to endorse products, and they will get better interactions. This is the end of today's presentations. Thank you.